Welcome, it's Johnson DIY, and today we're going to be unboxing this cordless electric shears. These are really nice for cutting up kindling or anything like that for fires or just anything in general that you need to cut. And I would really much recommend this for a cheap product.
As Sun pointed out, these are North Tech brand tools. Now they use 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, but they are available exclusively at Menards in our area. And if you know anything about power tools, these things are actually the most cost-effective power tools on the market. Now this particular unit, these shears or pruners, or loppers, depending on how you say it, let me know in the comments below what your preferred terminology is for it. It's kind of the tool you didn't know you need. So we have backyard patio fires, bonfires, whatever you want to call them, quite often. And we use the sticks that fall from our trees around our property as our kindling, as Sun pointed out. So having something like this actually is pretty awesome. So what you got to do is just plug in the battery. Now I'm playing with the trigger to get a feel for it, but you'll see there's a power button here. Once that power button's fired up, now it is a double safety, so you got to pump it to prime it, and then it'll pop open, and then you can get the cut. These things are actually really impressively powerful, so I'm going to test them here, but be sure to stick along to the end because I'm going to show you different sizes, different thickness, different styles of wood, and see if we can get through it all. But for those that come here often for our DIY channel, that's a quick glance at the instruction manual. We laid out everything it came with. It came with an Allen wrench and some tools in case you need to replace the blade. It comes with this charger. Now these are old school, and again, it keeps costs down, so it's not a charging dock, it's just a charging cord. Your plug-in is actually going to be on the back side of the clip. So right there is where you're going to plug it in. So I'm going to let this battery charge up, and once it's green, we're going to get back out in the yard. We're going to collect a bunch of sticks, and we're going to get to work. All right, now here we are. We're ready to go. Remember, you got to power down on the base. Take your cover off. And be careful with that cover, because if you do open up these shears while that cover's on, it's going to break that protective cover without a blink. So I picked up this bucket. Some of it was actually cut from a bush with the pruning shears. You can see it's fresh. So with the fresh stuff, easy work. And I actually thought the fresh stuff might be a little harder because it's green wood, but like it doesn't even exist. And we're gonna move up in thicknesses and styles. Now we have different trees. We have maples, we have honey locusts, we have different shrubs that are dogwoods, and you name it. So there is definitely different limbs, branches, and styles here. And this thing is like butter through anything I throw at it. So I'll continue to go up in thickness, but in the intro, let us know what tool that you have around the house that you didn't think you ever need, and then once you got it, man, you use it a ton and wish you had it sooner. That's what I want to know in the comments, because that will be our next tool we pick up, because I love those kind of tools. Stuff that makes you more productive, stuff that cuts time, stuff that just makes it easier. And again, at the price, you can't beat it.
For watching, we hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Take care, have a great day. Peace out.